Very good morning and warm welcome to my dear children. Today we are going to start subject English composition. Importance of books. Dear children, you all know how to write composition. You write composition in three parts, in three paragraphs. The first paragraph is introduction of your topic. Second is main body of the composition or of the related to the topic. And third is conclusion. Our today's topic, importance of books. Here are few points which you can include in your composition. We are going to discuss one by one. The first point is books are part of majority people's everyday life. Dear children, nowadays majority of people they like to read because majority of people of our population are literate. They are educated. Hence, many people like reading. There are various kind of books available in the market. So, reading of book means not any novel, not only any novel or any story book. It can be any book. There are different types of book. It can be a comic book, it can be a magazine, etc. Second point, they are like best friend who will never walk away from you. Dear children, you know your best friend, right? At times you fight, at times you come together. Yes? So, when you fight, your best friend walk away, right? Doesn't talk to you till you both patch it up. You solve the problem. But books are non-living things, so they are not going to fight with you and they are going to act like a best friend. A best friend who will never walk away from you. Third point. They are in printed or handwritten sheet of pages of information. Dear children, books are normally in printed form. Some books are in the handwritten form. So, these pages of books contains lot of information. Fourth point. Information may be related to various subjects or topics. A book written on various subjects. It can have n number of subjects in that, n number of topics in that. There is no limitation to the book. Fifth point. Nowadays, internet world has also introduced electronic form of books known as e-books. Dear children, as you all know and you all are already aware about internet. Yesterday we learned about dictionaries. Isn't it? I told you that you can find meaning of any word on Google within fraction of second. Dear children, not only finding meaning, but there are e-books, means the content of the book is uploaded on internet. And you can read books with the help of mobile, with the help of internet or with the help of laptop using internet. You can read books anytime, anywhere. Such kind of books on internet are called e-books. Next point, sixth point. Today books are printed almost in all the language of the world. Dear children, earlier the printing press were there, but there were limitations in language. But nowadays we can print book in any language of the world. It can be Keralite, a Kerala language, Tamil language. It can be Gujarati, it can be Marathi, Hindi, English, etc. Last point. Earlier, only few people would read books. As I told you, earlier people were not literate. Nowadays, the people are literate. Many people are literate. But earlier, less people were literate. Hence, very few of people would read the books or were fond of reading the books. This information can help you for introduction. Now, let's move ahead to the next slide. Next point is, now with the spread of education and more people are found reading books. Now, as importance of education is understood by maximum number of people, more and more people are found reading books. They are reading books. The number of population reading books is rising. Books are written on all subjects. It's not necessary that books is only a story book or any novel. It can be on any subject. It can be on science, it can be on geography, it can be on English, it can be on any subject of the world. There are books on literature, history, geography, math, etc. This point is already clear to you. They are real friends, and books are called as real friends because they don't walk away. They are our best guides. They guide us properly and correctly. We can learn everything from them. With the help of books, we can learn anything and everything. We can read good thoughts of the world. Yes, good thoughts. There is a separate book on good thoughts, right? So you will get only good thoughts in that. Next, it also helps to find answers to our questions. Books written on researches and all, they help us to find answers to questions which arises in our mind. Last but not the least, it never fails us. Books are the best friend. They never fail us. Okay, they always give us best and good knowledge. Next is importance of book. Why book is important? How does it help us? Books give us plenty of joy to reader. When we read some comic book or some good books related to the life story of some person or any other that topic which we are fond of, that gives joy to us. They learn lot of things from books. We learn lot of things from books. Books help us to understand many things. Books takes us away in a unique world of imagination. Books improves our standard of living. Books inspires us to work hard with courage and hope. It also enriches the experience of reader, sharpens their intellect. If we read book, these all qualities inculcate in us. It sharpens our intellect. We learn to remember things. Yes, whatever we read, we understand and we remember. So it sharpens our intellect. It enriches our experience of reading. Some books, you might find some books boring. but some books you might find very interesting. So, it is very important for us to keep on reading. Besides this, there are various other information that I can share with you. But your but your essay may become very lengthy. So, just in short, I can say that there are various advantages that books gives us new way of life, different perspective of life. It changes our thinking from negative to positive. It makes us smarter. It increases creativity and imagination in us. The things which you read, you try to imagine them and you understand. So it increases our imagination power. It improves our memory. It improves our vocabulary in English and any other language. It also increases desire to achieve goal. These are the better or best advantages of reading books or importance of books. There are few other benefits that it make us empathetic. Reading books keeps our brain healthy. It reduces our stress. It helps you sleep better. It sets example for kids. Reading books can reduce your stress and can give you a better sleep. Dear children, in your life, importance of book is very, very important. It plays a vital role in your life. You learn to value books and stories. It improves your imagination and stimulates your curiosity. It helps child's brain, social skills and communication skill develop. You learn how to communicate. You learn how to frame sentences. It also helps you to change and understand the change in the life, and it also makes you strong emotionally. So, these were the few points related to importance of books. Dear children, you can use these points for your essay. Either if you want to write something different, you can go to Google, you can ask Google information related to importance of book. First, rough it out in your 0-number book and then fare it out in your composition book. Write today's date only. Okay? Hope this lecture is clear to you. Meet you tomorrow. Meet you in the next week. Till that, bye. Take care. Stay home. Be safe.